Well, hello there. Today I'd like to talk to you about account-based marketing. What most people don't realize is there are actually three different kinds of account-based marketing. One size does not fit all. The first type is strategic ABM. In strategic ABM, you are going after a single account at a time. You might have multiple accounts in play at once, but certainly your sales team is only going after one of them at a time. These are enterprise accounts, large deal sizes, 6 figures plus per deal, and everything is customized down to the account level. The next level up is what's called ABM Lite, sometimes called one-to-few ABM. In ABM Lite, you're going after a handful of similar accounts at a time. One salesperson may be working 2, 3, 5, 10, maybe up to 15 or 20 accounts at a time. These are medium-sized deals, usually in the 5-figure range, and things are customized to usually an industry level or some shared attribute of the particular accounts that are being targeted at the same time. For us, we lump those accounts into what we call a cohort to make things easy. And finally, the last type of account-based marketing is programmatic ABM. In programmatic ABM, there is very little personalization, and any personalization that exists is automated because you're going after hundreds or thousands of accounts at the same time. The only thing that makes this account-based marketing is that you're starting at the account level and you're targeting the accounts. Otherwise, this looks very similar to demand generation or lead generation. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you understand what type of account-based marketing you're running and then go at it with gusto. If you did get value out of this video, I strongly suggest that you check out our account-based marketing workshop offering. We are glad to come on site and help you set up your account-based marketing program for success. Link below.